created a Solana token but need to fix its name, logo, or links. You can update all of it in about a minute, no code. On j.tools, open Token Management, then Update Metadata. First, connect your wallet from the top right. I'll use Phantom. It has to be the wallet that owns the token. Now, pick your token and hit Load on the right. The tool pulls in its current metadata: name, symbol, logo, description, and socials. As you can see, the description and links are still empty. Let's fix that. Now let's edit the fields. For the name, I'll type demo token, and for the symbol, DEMO. In the description, something simple like a demo token created with j.tools. Then a website, an X link, and a Telegram. And here's the big one. On the right, I'll hit Change Logo and upload a brand new image. Watch the logo update instantly. These are just placeholders. You'd put your own project's details here. Good metadata is what makes a token look real. A clear name, a logo, working links. Just remember, you can only edit this while your update authority is still active. When it's ready, I'll click Update Metadata. I'll review it and confirm. And that's it. The metadata is updated on-chain. New logo, new details, all live. To learn more, make sure to subscribe and follow. Everything's at j.tools.